Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you how you can import browsing data and other user data from your favorite web browsers like Chrome, for instance, to Mozilla Firefox to use it from here, like your saved bookmarked websites, your browsing data settings, and so on and so forth. So let us dive right into it and show you how this can be made possible. So what you want to do is launch Mozilla Firefox, of course, on your desktop computer or on your laptop. And basically, guys, you will need to access your browser settings. To do that, click into Open Application menu here in the top right and select Settings. And inside your browser settings, head over to General. And here, under General and Startup, you will see this feature, Import Browser Data, like bookmarks, history, autofill data, and so on and so forth to Firefox. So click into import data here, and after that select your browser as well as the profile from that drop-down menu. So let me go with Chrome for the sake of this tutorial, and last but not least, select also the type or the items you would like to import. Like you may, for example, select all or unselect the browsing history, passwords, or extensions. Well, you will need to select at least one, unless otherwise it won't be possible to conduct the importing. And that's basically it, guys. Once that's done, simply click on import, and that should do the job. Let me just switch to another profile like Microsoft Edge, for example, and give you a live example by clicking into import here. And there you go. As you can see, these bookmarked sites and their folders have been imported from from Edge to Firefox, including almost 1000 favorites and the entire browsing history from the last 180 days. So now you can click into down here and use Firefox with the same browsing data from your imported web browser, in this case here Edge. And that's it, guys. That's how it works. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.